In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create morph animation for Canva title slides. This is a fantastic way to bring some dynamic visuals to your presentations, making them more engaging and visually appealing. First off, let's dive right into Canva. Open your Canva application or website. You may already be familiar with its interface, which is intuitively designed to help you focus on creativity rather than getting bogged down by the tools. Now, since we're going to create a title slide, we need to start a new design. Go ahead and click on Create a Design and select Presentation from the list of options. This format is perfect for slides and will provide you with the optimal canvas size for any presentation. Once your blank presentation slide is open, it's time to add some text. Click to add your first title text, and I recommend using a bold font. Bold fonts are great for titles because they stand out and ensure your message is immediately clear to your audience. Take a moment to consider the overall theme and color scheme, as consistency across slides will strengthen the professional feel of your presentation. Next up, you're going to duplicate the first slide. Doing this is simple. Just right-click on the slide thumbnail on the side panel and select Duplicate. That way you'll have an exact copy to work from, maintaining any styles or design elements you've set up. Now that you have your duplicated slide, you can replace the text with your second title. Think of this as the continuation of a story you're telling through your presentation. Make sure this new text is equally impactful and relevant to your message. With your text in place, it's time to start animating. Click back on the first slide. You'll see the main slide editing area where we'll work some animation magic. On the top of your design space, there's an option that says Animate. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a variety of animation options. Here, we're going to select our key feature for this tutorial, Match and Move. This clever animation transition will give the appearance of morphing between your slides, offering a seamless and eye-catching effect as your text elegantly transitions from one title to the next. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your Canva slides with morph animations. Remember, the key to a successful animation is smoothness and consistency, so feel free to preview and tweak as necessary until it feels just right. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and export your presentation and get ready to wow your audience with this engaging element. Happy designing!